Good morning, student. Now, the same chapter probability. That means possibility. Chance. Number of favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes. Right, this is the problem of probability of an event. Now, now the previous classes, exercise 13.1 is totally depend on conditional probability. Exercise 13.2 is totally depend on independent and dependent. But now it's a very, very important exercise 13.3 base term. Student, base term, that is this is the base term, is the formula P of even by this even की probability find करनी when A is occur. Then formula is the P of even into P of even. जिसकी find करनी है वो ऊपर नीचे टोटल probability का formula P of even into P of A by even plus P of E2 into P of A by E2 plus P of E3 into P of A by 3 and so on to be events. You know, so E1 into E3 that is before experiment. And A by E1, A by E2, A by E3, that is the after experiment, right? And before experiment and after experiment, right? Hello? Huh? Huh? Then before experiment, E1, E2, E3, you have before experiment, A by E1, A by E2, that is the after experiment. Now look. This formula is very, very important. Only first question is depend on total probability P of E1, P of E2, P of E1 into P of E by E1, P of E2 into P of E by E2, P of E3 into P of. All questions are very, very important. ऐसा कोई question नहीं जो board में नहीं है. Now today is the question number second. First thing 2 and 3 times now. Read the first question. A bag contains 4 red ball and 4 black ball, and this is another bag contain that is a 2 red ball and 6 ball. Now one of the 2 bags is selected. आपको 2 बैग में से एक बैग सेलेक्ट करना है एंड अ बॉल इज ड्रॉन और उसके बाद एक बॉल ड्रॉ करनी है फ्रॉम द बैग विच इज फाउंड टू बी रेड और जो कि रेड कलर की होनी चाहिए फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट बॉल इज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट बैग फर्स्ट थिंग फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी द बॉल इज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट बैग फर्स्ट थिंग नाउ डिसाइडेड इवन E2 आपको डिसाइड करना होगा कि विच event is E1, which event is E2. So now is the first thing, let E1 and E2, right? Then E1, then event that the selection of first bank, selection of first bank, even that decide the selection of first bag and E2 even that the selection of second bag. Bag का selection कोई experiment नहीं है. Even in E2 there is a selection of first bag, E2 is a selection of second bag, and now find the probability of E1 or hand-to-hand is the probability find the two. There are total bags 2, but now select is the first bag is only 1, that is a 1 by 2, and P of E2 is also same. But now डिसाइड इफ क्या आपको एक बैग का सिलेक्शन करने के बाद 2 बैग में से एक बैग का सिलेक्शन करने के बाद नाउ ड्रॉन अ बॉल राइट दैट मींस गेटिंग अ बॉल राइट यानी कि आपको एक बॉल ड्रॉ करनी है और वो ड्रॉन बॉल रेड व्हिच इज फाउंड टू बी रेड नाउ गेटिंग अ बॉल इज रेड जो भी आपको बॉल निकालनी है वो रेड कलर की होनी चाहिए नाउ फाइंड ए बाय 1 और अब ए बाय 1 फाइंड इसको ए बाय 1 का मतलब होता है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ इवेंट है यानी कि आपको एबिलिटी प्रॉपर्टी निकालनी है बट अपॉन इवन दैट कम्स फ्रॉम फर्स्ट एंड देयर आर 2 बैग नाउ बैग फर्स्ट एंड बैग सेकंड राइट बैग फर्स्ट एंड बैग सेकंड बैग फर्स्ट इज कंटेन 4 रेड बॉल एंड 4 black ball total is 8 ball but back second 2 red ball and 6 black ball. Okay, now decide. First thing, solve this question. A by E1 in के आपको red ball की property निकालनी but from first bag and first ball back is total ball is 8. Right? Total is 8 ball but now decide red ball is 4. 4 में से एक ball that is a 4C1 is a जहाँ selection बहुत combination. But 4C1 की value 4 is इसलिए हम डायरेक्ट ले रहे हैं 4 by 8. Now find A by E2. That means the gain probability of happen what from second bag now second bag is Total ball is 8. But favorable, that is a rag ball. Rag ball is 2. Now 2C1 is 2. And now apply this formula. Right? P of E1 equals to P of E1 by E. P of E1 into P of E by E1 upon total property. P of E1, that is a 1 by 2. P of A by E1 is a 4 by 8. 1 by 2, 4 by 8. Plus P of E2, again 1 by 2 and P of A by 2, 2 by 8. Now solve 1 by 2 as it is, above term as it is. Below term 1 by 2 is common, 1 by 8 is common, left 4 plus 2. Then it's 8 cancel, 2 से 2 cancel. Now so above term 4 plus 2 6, that is a 2 by 3. This is answer. Right? 8 question in 100% board exam आएगा. Now question number 3. Of the student in a college, it is known that 60% reside in hostel and 40% are day school. That means not reside in hostel. Now previous year result report, 30% of all students who reside in a hostel attain A grade and 20% of day scholar now attain A grade in their annual examination. At the end of the year, one of the students choose randomly from the college. He has A grade, and what is the probability that student is a hostel? So first thing now decided E1 and E2. So probability find the probability that student is a hostel. So now E1, that student is a hostel, and E2, that student is a day school. या हम भी बोल सकते हैं when E1 student residing in hostel and student not residing in hostel. So E1 then student is a hostler and E2 student is a day scholar. So P of E1 कितने परसेंट स्टूडेंट हैं जो हॉस्टल में रहते हैं? E1 60% reside in hostel. P of E1 is a 60 by 100. Now the P of E2 probability of day scholar, as a day scholar is a 40% student not reside in hostel. That is day scholar. Correct. And now E1. अब E में क्या आपको लास्ट में के रिजल्ट के एनुअल रिजल्ट के बेस पे आपको डिसाइड करना है कि नाउ E में a student attain A grade, जिनको A grade मिला है, now getting A grade, that is a P of A by A1. अब A by A1 का मतलब आपको probability of A grade डिफाइन करनी है, but ऐसे कितने स्टूडेंट जो हॉस्टल में रहते हैं जिनको A grade मिला है, और इस तरह की very clear is a report of previous year result. Now 20% day scholar, 20% day scholar. This is 30% of the students who reside in a hostel. 30%, so 30 by 100. And P of A by E2 is already given 20%, it is a 20 by 100. And now substituting same formula based on P of E1 by A equals to P of E1 into P of A by E1 upon P of E1, P of A by E1 plus P of E2, P of A by E2, P of E3. मतलब main problem E1 E2 decide करना, A by E1, A by E2 find करना, that is problem. Now question number first, second, third. In an answering on a multiple choice test, a student either knows or a student guess. Answer is who knows, yeah, guess. 3 by 4 is the probability his student knows the answer. 1 by 4 is the probability his student guess the answer. Right? And assuming that a student whose guess at the answer will be correct, 1 by 4, what is the probability that student knows the answer? First thing, E1 is students, right? Student knows the answer. Student knows the answer. And E2, the student guess the answer. Correct? The student guess the answer. तो स्टूडेंट नोज द आंसर. अब ऐसे जब स्टूडेंट आंसर जानता है तो what is the 3 by 4 be the probability that student knows the answer is given P of E1 is given 3 by 4 and P of E2, right? जब student guess करना answer तब that is the property is 1 by 4, right? And A1 अब answer will be correctly. So A1 answer will be correctly. Now find A by A1, right? अब A by A1 का मतलब आपको correct answer की property find करनी है, लेकिन जब student answer जानता है and this is not given, जब student answer जानता है तो वो 100% correct होगा. That means the property is 100%. That means 100 by 100. That is 1. Right? It's not given P of A by 1. But P of A by E2 जब student guess कर रहा है तब आंसर के correct होने के chance 25% of the property given है. ये लिखा हुआ है. Assume that student who guess at the answer will be correct with property 1 by 4. Now apply this formula. See. Now question number 6. There are 3 coins. There are 3 coins, right? And one is the two-handed coin. You know, student, two-handed coin having hand on both faces. Correct? And another is a biased coin. Another is biased coin. Second coin, and that counts has 75% of the times. Correct? And third is the unbiased coin. This question को clear करने से पहले आपको clear मालूम होना चाहिए what is the biased coin and what is the unbiased coin. Biased coin वैसे that is a both are headed या both faces are head या both faces are tail. But unbiased coin that is a fair coin. That means it's a one side head and one side tail. यानी कि head आने की probability is 50% and tail आने की probability is 50%. So first thing is question, first thing now, और अभी clear लिखा हुआ है. One of the 3 coin is chosen. आपको 3 coin में से केवल एक coin choose करना है. And now at randomly and tossed और square toss करना है. It shows head और क्या आना चाहिए? Head show होना चाहिए. What is the probability? It was 2-handed coin. So first thing now decide E1 into E3. So student E1, E2 and E3. There are 3. Why? E1 then E1 that is 2-headed coin. Right? That means both ways are it. And E2 is a biased coin. Biased coin. And E3 is unbiased. अब आपने डिसाइड कर लिया तो आप हैंड टू हैंड इनकी प्रॉपर्टी फाइंड करें. अब इनकी प्रॉपर्टी आप फाइंड करोगे सबसे पहले P of E by E1 की प्रॉपर्टी. P of E1 की प्रॉपर्टी क्या आपके पास टोटल 3 कॉइन है और 3 कॉइन में से 2-handed कॉइन ओनली 1. P of E2 is the same 1 by 3. 3 कॉइन में से एक कॉइन सकता है. Now P of E3 also same. यानी कि P of E1, P of E2, P of E3 are same. 3 कॉइन में से 1 कॉइन चूज करना है. Find the selection that is only correct. But now E1 कॉइन का सिलेक्शन करने के बाद रैंडमली कॉइन का सिलेक्शन करने के बाद टॉस करना है और क्या आना चाहिए? गेटिंग अ हैंड और हैंड आना चाहिए. गेटिंग हैंड नाउ फाइंड P of E by E1, P of E by E2, P of E by E3. फर्स्ट थिंग नाउ फाइंड P of E by E1. यानी कि आपको प्रॉपर्टी फाइंड करनी है हैंड. बट E1 दैट इज 2-handed का दोनों साइड हैंड है तो उसके हैंड आने के चांस 100%. That means 100 by 100. That is 1. The probability of getting higher when E1 is 2-handed coin. But अगर suppose वो biased coin है तो biased coin में head आने की probability है it comes up 75%. It's clear. यानी 75% head आने के chance यानी 75 by 100. That is 3 by 4. And P of A by E, right, is the unbiased coin. Unbiased coin वो जब हम कॉइन को टच करते हैं 1 टाइम हैंड 1 टाइम टेल यानी 50% चांस होते हैं जो हमारे पास होता है पेयर कॉइन, राइट. और 50 by 100 here that is 1 by. So now substitute the formula. बस इस फॉर्मूला में एक ही चीज चेंज करना कि आपको 2 E1 by E फाइंड करना है. P of E1 P of E by E1 upon P of E1 P of E by E1 P of E2 P of E by E2 P of E3 P of E by. फॉर्मूले में अप्लाई करना आप सॉल्व कर लोगे. तो स्टूडेंट आज हमने जो प्रॉपर्टी का बेस्ड ऑन के क्वेश्चन किए 3 क्वेश्चन. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. प्लीज सॉल्व दिस एक्सरसाइज. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.